Hey guys, welcome back to Rhino Pips FX. Today we are again trading. We are trading gold. We are selling gold, as you can see on the screen, the arrow there in the blue on the top of the screen there next to the actual candlesticks showing it's pointing downwards, and in the box to your right in the red shows our profits and our losses, whatever we're making today. Today we are going to show you how we've made over £4,000 on this particular trade, just selling gold. We don't have many pairs on the screen. I mean, with some people we do find that they have tons of pairs on the screen and it can get quite confusing. So just one pair, gold, and we're just selling, and that's it. Guys, if you are new to Rhino Pips FX, obviously this is a naked chart. When we say naked chart, we have no indicators on the screen here, so you can't see what we're doing, but we do have indicators for our students. Now, these indicators have alerts that tell us when to take trades and where to take profits. So without the indicators, obviously you can't see what we are currently doing, but these indicators have obviously indicated that we are selling gold today, and that's exactly what we've done. We're selling gold, and we've made decent profit today. Again, over £4,000 on gold. Again guys, once you have a decent strategy, when you can find a very simple strategy, which is what we have, you need to believe in that strategy. Now, not all strategies are 100% foolproof. There will be days where your strategy will not work. There is no one strategy that's always 100% perfect at all times. Our indicators are very easy to use. Again, they are for our students. To find out more information, just check our website. All information down in the links. It just saves so much time. There's no need to sit in front of the computer in the entire day. The alerts will go off, and we have two confluences that you have to check. When we say confluence, two bits you need to check to make sure that the market is indeed going up or going down. If an alert was made for an up, for example, but the confluences are actually showing down, then obviously we cannot take the trade. And again, if the alert was pointing for a sell but confluences are saying up, then again that's a no trade. We need to make sure every confluence is going in the right direction. So if the alert was to show up and the confluences were up, then that's a much better trade, and we tend to go for that trade. Obviously trades are taken at different points, but as you can see in the red box, we are fluctuating positive to negative, but we know eventually that this obviously ends up in 4K. Now guys, there are so many gurus on YouTube. We don't claim to be the best at trading here, but there are so many gurus. They will show you a strategy but never actually show you a live trade. This here in front of you is a live trade. Now again, with the gurus, they'll say, oh, do this, do that, but you never see anything like this. We are live trading. You can see the results in the red box there. The blue arrows pointing to the red box. You can see we are currently in profit. You can see that for yourself. Now the strategy works. We can't falsify this. And again, with other gurus, what they do, they'll take snapshots of this or that. Show the proof. Show the proof. Now this is what we are doing. We are showing you proof that our strategy works. Our indicators, which are in-house made, works perfectly, because they tell you when to take the trades. They do most of the work for you, 80% of the work for you. So the 20% is just check a couple of things and done. Simple as. So as you can see on the screen, we are in profit. This trade took no less than maybe less than an hour to make £4,000 on gold. Now guys, there are so many strategies on the market, but the best in our opinion is just market structure, but there are different types of market structures, strategies that people tend to follow. We believe that we have the simplest way, we have the simplest market structure, and we've again developed indicators in order to make sure it follows market structure and does most of the work for us. There are so many other indicators. There's so much on the screen. We only have a couple of things on our screen, obviously not shown on here at the moment. Again, it's only visible for our students, so if you are interested, again, click on the link below to find out more. But you can literally trade 20 minutes of your time, half an hour of your time to make decent profit. you're not on the screen the entire day. Make your profit, be on your way, have a nice day, go to the gym, go for a drink, go to the cafe, whatever it is, without spending hours on the screen every day. Now guys, if you look in the red box where our profits, where it shows if we're minus or plus, for a lot of people, they tend to close their trade straight away. As soon as they get into some form of negative, they shut the trade down. Now, as long as the actual trader, you've done everything, every step that we teach you in our course, there is no need to do that. You set your stop loss, you take your TP, which is your take profit, and that's all you need to do. Just watch everything else unfold. You know, put your trade on, go away, come back in an hour's time and have a look at your trade. It's that simple, guys. There's no need to spend the entire day evaluating the screen, stressing your eyes out. But as you will see on this particular trade, as we are currently in negative, we are fully aware price will go up and down all the time. So we obviously got into 4K profit without any problems whatsoever. As you'll see very shortly, guys, we quickly start to get into profit at this point. You'll see very shortly in a few seconds that we turn around from this negative into huge positive profits, and this just continues until we get to our 4K target, which is normally our target for the day, 4K. Now, one thing I've not mentioned, guys, we are trading using the 1 hour time frame. The time frames, again, we teach you about all this in our course. It's just at the top, you've got your 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly and monthly. We just find that the 1 hour time frame is ideal for our trading style, because the 4 hours takes too long, and your sort of 15 minutes is too sort of haphazard in a way sometimes. But as you can see in that red box, we are over £2,000 currently in profit. It's right there in front of you. We can't falsify this. This is on the actual market as we speak today. Okay, so over £2.5 grand there, as you can see. Actually, we're talking about £3,000 at the bottom there. Just fluctuating between 2.9 and about 3.2, as you can see at the bottom there. Now, if you are someone who's tried every trading strategy going and just get bamboozled or confused with this Forex thing, we have made sure we've simplified Forex for idiot proofs. It's basically an idiot proof strategy that we use, and the course is so basic that anybody can trade. You know, anyone with common sense can trade. Very easy to trade. No complications on here, no big jargon words. It's just a mechanical trading strategy. If step 1 happens in terms of the alert goes off, that's step 1, then go to step 2 and check this and check that. Take your trade, simple. Set your TP, which is your take profit, and set your stop loss. It's just that simple. This is what we call a mechanical trading strategy. You don't have to analyze the entire thing yourself. We've done and created the actual indicators in order for anyone to be able to take a trade and not have to feel flustered when taking trades. Now, there are so many different strategies out there that can be quite confusing for a lot of people, and this is exactly why we've created this trading strategy to just simplify everything for everyone, so you're not scratching your head thinking, what do I do next? Okay, this has happened, what do I do here? It's just right there, plain and simple. If step A does not happen, you do not go to step B. It's just that simple. Now, guys, another thing we're not going to do is show you fancy cars. We're not that silly. We're not going to show you fancy cars and lifestyle just to get your money. Our courses are very easily affordable for anybody, anywhere. In fact, what we offer on here, we've seen equivalent of £5,000 to £10,000. We don't even offer a fraction of that for our course. There's so much information that you can pick from this, and it's ideal for beginners. If you have no idea about trading, it's all on there. There's no need to procrastinate. Change your life today. You know, invest in yourself today. It's a very straightforward strategy. I've personally taught my own kids how to trade within literally 2 days. It's so easy to do. Give us a try. Again, in the link below, you can see on our website, what we do, and the entire strategy. We've got live trades on there as well, just to show you that we are genuine. Yes, change your life today, guys. But have a look. We are up. Yep, price has gone down slightly, but we are fluctuating about 2.7. I mean, this is just from pushing a few buttons, guys. Pushing a few buttons, no work. I mean, look at that box and think, how long does it take for you to make this kind of money? Is that a month? Is it 2 months maybe, after maybe tax, if you're in the UK or wherever you're based? You know, this is just in 1 day. 1 day of trading. Within literally, I'll say about just over an hour of trading. That's it. £4,000. Right, guys, so we are over almost £4,000 in profit here, as you can see. Over £4,000 in profit. Didn't take no longer than over an hour. You can see it right there in black and white. You can see it in the red box right in the corner there. 4.3, floating between 4.1 and 4.3 £1,000. Again, at this particular point, we decide, because we've reached our daily target of about £4,000, we decide to obviously take our profits. This is where we take our profit, close a trade, and bank the money. Now, obviously, we are using just in case you've not mentioned, we are using a funded account. Now, this is a 200k funded account, as you can see at the bottom there, and we are using a company called FTMO. You do not need to use FTMO. You can use whatever broker you want. This is just our preferred broker. There are millions of brokers out there that you could use, but this is where we take our profit, guys. And if you do want to find out more, let us know. Please like and subscribe, guys. We'll see you in the next video.